Catherine Bernardo humugot sa 29th birthday. I'm so scared. I'm so lost. Alright. Hindi itinago ng kapamilya actress at box office queen na si Catherine Bernardo ang tunay niyang nararamdaman sa nalalapit niyang kaarawan. Turning 29 na ang binansagang empowered queen sa darating na March 26 at aminado siyang may takot factor siyang nararamdaman sa pagdagdag na naman ng isang taon sa kanyang edad. Sa naganap na Grand MediaCon ng pagbabalik sa ABS-CBN ng reality talent show na Pilipinas Got Talent, kung saan isa si Catherine sa magiging judge, naging open siya sa publiko about her true feelings. I'm turning 29 in a few days. I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. I felt this. I remember when I gave a message for the Thanksgiving party of the House of Us. Isa sa mga blockbuster movie nila ni Daniel Padilla, this was the same feeling. Simula pahayag ni Kat. To be honest, I'm so scared. I'm so lost. But I think it's so brave na everyday I show up just like what Danny Pangilinan, isa rin sa bagong judge ng PGT, said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties because I don't know, bigla ko lang siya na-feel. Paliwanag ng award-winning actress. Nabanggit din ni Kathleen na maaaring birthday blues o ang tinatawag na quarter life crisis ang nararamdaman niya ngayon. Parang what's next for me? Parang I'm feeling all these emotions. Feeling ko is just brave na tinatanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days and hindi ko na yun tinatago sa mga tao, sabi pa niya. Samantalang sinigurado ni Kathleen at ng tatlo pang judge ng PGT Season 7 na si Danny Pangilinan, Eugene Domingo, and former ABS-CBN President Freddy MFG Garcia na inihahandog nila sa sambayan ng Pilipino ang isang bonggang-bonggang show. Magsisimula na reality talent competition ng ABS-CBN sa March 29 at 30, Saturday at 8 p.m. and Sunday at 8:30 p.m. sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live A to Z at TV5. This will be hosted by Melay Cantiveros and Robbie Domingo. Ang mga past winner ng Pilipinas Got Talent ay ang yumaong singer na si Jovit Baldovino, Season 1, Marcelino Pomoy, Season 2, Maasin Honrio, Season 3, Ruel Manlangit, Season 4, Power Duo, Season 5, at Cristel Di Catalina, Season 6. At yan ang totoo. Alright! Thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat!